Let me ask you the question. What would happen in your life? What would happen in your life if you did any of these four things faster? If you changed faster? If you implemented faster? If you connected faster? If you had the ability to collaborate with people faster or build trust, rapport, and credibility with people faster? What would happen in your life? What would be the benefit? What would be the knock-on effect if you did any of those four things faster? I ask this question in workshops all around the country, and the one message people say, I'd become more efficient, more effective. I would waste less time. I would stop procrastinating. I would get to my end destination faster, easier, and sooner. And so I want you to think a little bit about if there's one of those areas in your life, what would happen if you implemented faster? You've got plenty of ideas. I don't know if you need any more ideas, but you definitely need to implement faster. Now, I'm not talking about willy-nilly. I'm not talking about not having a plan. I'm not talking about not doing the preparation. But once all that's done, what if you implemented faster? What if you changed faster? What if you changed before you needed to, had to, or made to? What if you connected with people, you build trust, rapport, and credibility with people faster? What would happen? What would happen if you collaborated with people rather than being resistant to ask for help? What would happen if you collaborated with people? What would be the knock-on effect in your life? And more importantly, what would happen in your career, or what would happen in your business? Thanks for watching. I'm Keith Abraham. Check out my website, keithabraham.com. Bye now.